In today's video, I'm going to teach you Midjourney Beginner Tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to generate your first images on the website, tweak the results, and where to find the option to use Discord if you prefer that workflow. Start by heading to the Midjourney website and logging in. Use a modern browser and make sure you're on a stable connection, since image generation streams in as it's created. If you're new, create an account and confirm you can access your dashboard. Once you're signed in, you're ready to make art. Next, navigate to the Create tab. This is the main workspace where you'll input prompts and view outputs. Think of it as your studio. You'll type, submit, and see results update right here. Now locate the Imagine bar. It's the text prompt field, usually at the top or centered on the page. This is where you describe what you want to see. Be clear and specific. Include the subject, style, mood, and any details that matter to you, like lighting, color palette, or camera perspective. Short prompts work, but a bit more detail often yields more intentional results. Type your description and hit enter or submit. A concise example might be serene mountain lake at sunrise, soft mist, warm golden light, cinematic, high detail. Avoid overloading the prompt with unrelated ideas. Focus on the core look you're after. Wait a few moments as the AI brings your image to life. Midjourney typically generates a grid of 4 variations, so you can compare different interpretations side by side. You'll see the progress move from a rough sketch to refined detail in under a minute, depending on server load. From here, you can modify your creations. Use the upscale options to increase the resolution and enhance details of a favorite image. Use variation options to ask for new takes based on one of the grid images, keeping the core idea, but exploring composition or style shifts. If you want a fresh start with the same prompt, use reroll. Many interfaces also include creative tools like zoom out or pan to expand the scene, and remix style toggles that let you adjust the prompt between variations. Don't forget to download your favorites once you're happy. As an alternative, you can use Midjourney on Discord. In that flow, you type an Imagine command with your prompt inside a designated channel. The bot returns a 4-image grid, and you use the same upscale and variation buttons beneath the result. It's the same engine, just a chat-based interface. That's it for the beginner run-through. Experiment, iterate, and have fun turning your ideas into images.